Okay, so in this video we will learn another different pattern, that is combining pattern. It is very easy and self-explanatory. That combining pattern means in this we will combine both patterns. Might be one, two patterns together, three patterns together, four patterns together, and using those patterns we will ask ChatGPT and or any other artificial tool. It will provide us the answer. More the idea behind this, we will get more specific answer. We'll get more accurate answer from ChatGPT or any other artificial tools. So we will combine two pattern together. It might be three patterns together, or four patterns together. So we will combine those pattern, and we will ask a question to ChatGPT, and it will provide more generic, more professional answer. So here, suppose combining ask for input pattern and step by step guidance pattern. So here is one example. The example is, from now on I will describe various DIY projects I am interested in. DIY means done it, do it yourself, sorry, do it yourself, I think. I'm interested in. You will provide a step by step guide for each project, including necessary materials, tools, and detailed instructions. At the end, list any safety tips or common mistakes to avoid. Ask me for the first DIF project. So this is one example. The another example is combining role playing and scenario analysis pattern. So we are combining two patterns together. So you will act as a business consultant. So now this time I am asking that to role playing prompt we are giving. You will act as a business consultant. Okay, I will present different business scenarios, and you will analyze the situation and provide a strategic plan to address the challenges and opportunities, including potential risks and migration strategies. Ask me for the first business scenario. Again, the example number 3 is combining translate pattern and the creative writing patterns. So from now on I will write sentences in English, and you will translate them into Shakespearean English. Accordingly, provide a brief analysis of how the translation preserves the original meaning and tone. Ask me for the first sentence to translate. Again, here I have given another example, combining problem solving and feedback patterns. Again, combining summarize and action plan patterns. This many examples are available. Okay, so let us practice few example. So let us take the example number 1. From now on, this example, let me refresh it. So from now on, I will describe various DIY project I am interested in, and you will provide a step-by-step guide for each project, including necessary materials, tools, and detailed instruction. And at the end, list any safety tips and common mistakes to avoid. Ask me for the first DIY project. So let us hit enter. Got it. Please go ahead and tell me about the first DIY project you are interested in, and I will provide a detailed step by step guide for it. So, suppose I want to project DIY project you are interested in is uh, customer behavior, customers response for high-end product. Customers response for high-end product. High-end, I didn't. I have it high-end product. Okay. So when dealing with the high-end product, customer response can vary widely based on the several factors. Here are some common types of response you might encounter. So based on your project, you can write. So accordingly, I have written here. Customer response, how the customer response for a high-end product. okay, for high end product, how the customer responds. So for your case, it might be anything, it might be any other project, okay. So you can replace your content. So for example purpose, I have taken this. So the positive response, delight in quality. The example is here. Customers often appreciate the superior quality and the craftsmanship of high end products. They may comment on the exceptional materials, design, and attention to detail. Example is this: the high quality of this, the quality of this product is unparalleled. I can tell a lot of care went into its design and manufacturing. Satisfaction with performance, all the details and example is also there. Impressed by the brand image, constructive feedback, price sensitive and all the details. Negative responses, and responding to customer feedback. Acknowledge and appreciate, always thank customer for their feedback, whether it is a positive or negative, and address issues promptly. For any negative feedback, address the issue quickly and offer solutions now, or compensations as appreciate. Highlight the benefits, continuous improvement, all the details it has given based on my project, okay, so that I am interested in. So here it is asking, by understanding and addressing this common customer response, you can better manage customer expectations and enhance satisfaction with your high-end product. So I think you got the idea how what I wanted to do and how the ChatGPT is responding me. So you will only tell ChatGPT that I will describe various project I am interested in, and you will guide me step by step. How can I how can I improve it? How can I all the negatives, all the positive, or all the good side, back side. You will explain me all the problems, all the benefits, everything you will explain me. So you will provide a step-by-step guide for each project, including necessary materials, tools, and detailed instruction. At the end, list any safety tips and common mistakes to avoid. Ask me for the first question. So it will ask you the question and refine it, and then it will provide the answer. So what will happen? You will get more accurate, more to the point answer you will get from the chat gpt or any other artificial tools. Okay, so let us practice one more example. Different business scenarios. Okay, business we have taken. I write send acha, let me take this example, what it is. Let me refresh it. So from now on, I will write sentences in English and you will translate them into Shakespearean English. Accordingly, provide a brief analysis of how the translation preserves the original meaning and tone. Ask me for the first sentence to translate. Let me see how there is. Got it. Please provide the first sentence you would like translated. You would like translated into Shakespearean English. So suppose twinkle, suppose for example, twinkle little star, twinkle twinkle little star. Let me hit enter. See, Shakespearean translation: twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what. See, only one example, only one line I have written: twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what thou art. So here the little changes. Okay, here is little changes. See, how I wonder what you are. I think the full yeah, line should have been, but here in the Shakespearean language. Otherwise, what I can, let me check one more thing. uh, English poem. Let me take one English poem. Mm, let me take. Okay, it will not open. Let me take. uh, I don't know it will open or not. Okay, it is opening. Let's check. Okay, so what we can do, we can take it from ChatGPT. uh, Let me write a short English poem in 5 lines. So I'm telling ChatGPT write a poem for me. So in morning's light, the world out, soft whisper of the dawn it makes. The day begins with dreams heavy, and every sky holds hovering. Okay, so let me, I don't know what kind of poem it has written. Anyway, so let me take copy this. Okay, and then let me go to that section, and suppose here I will paste it, and let's see in the Shakespearean translation. See, I have written this, and see how it has been changes. In morning's light, the world doth wake. Okay, then soft whisper of the dawn it doth make, in a style of Shakespearean, that it has translate me. Okay, so you can do anything. Suppose in the style of Rabindranath Tagore, you can ask. Suppose I want to write this poem in a style of Rabindranath Tagore, so that is also I can mention here. So instead of Shakespearean English, I can say in the style of Rabindranath Tagore. So it will provide like that kind of output it will provide. So now it will analysis the same. The translation preserve the original meaning. The original meaning will be same. Okay, so the things that I wanted to express, the same thing will be there, on the style will be changed. Okay, so here it is saying the translation preserve the original meaning and tone by maintaining the poetic uh, imaginary and the hopeful rejuvenating feel of the dawn. Words like doth and a fresh and an Elizabethan touch, with keeping the essence of a new beginning and the beauty of the morning sky. The face hopes bring flesh, replace hopes bright retaining the idea of hope but using a slightly different metaphor to fit the Shakespearean style. The overall sentiment of the renewal and potential is clearly covered. So, as per my, I said, you will translate this in a style of Shakespearean English, or Rabindranath Tagore style. This kind of thing I can mention. So it will provide. It will keep the meaning, emotion, all those things will be the same, only the style will be changed. The form, the style will be changed. The by rest everything will be same, only the style will be changed. Okay, so I think it's pretty clear to you. You have understood that what kind of how to use this prompt. That is the we have combined both the pattern, translate pattern, and the creative writing pattern we have used, and here how the response we have got. So you have got the pretty clear idea. I'm hoping that you need to practice it. Suppose here I have used two patterns only. In your case, you might combine two patterns, three patterns, four patterns. You might combine and write a prompt for getting most better the better output. Okay, so practice it yourself and copy this template, paste it, replace your content, add more pattern, and then test it, and I'm sure you will get the better prompt. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.